Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Nature Health Mind, where we share tips, tricks, and natural recipes to improve your health and well-being. Today we've got something really special for you, a forgotten gem from the past that's perfect for detoxifying your body. We're making a traditional drink called Switchel, also known as haymaker's punch. Let's dive right in. Here's what you'll need to make this refreshing detox drink. 4 cups of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of molasses, or you can use maple syrup or honey. 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, juice of 1 lemon, optional, simple ingredients but packed with unbelievable benefits. First, let's start by grating our fresh ginger. You'll need about a tablespoon. Next, if you're using lemon, go ahead and juice it. This is optional, but it adds a nice burst of vitamin C and aids in liver detoxification. Now grab a large pitcher and let's combine our ingredients. Pour in 4 cups of water. Add half a cup of apple cider vinegar. This is great for balancing pH levels and aiding digestion. Now, for our sweetener, a 1/4 cup of molasses, which provide minerals like potassium, calcium, and iron, and aid in lost electrolytes. If you don't have molasses, you can substitute with maple syrup or honey. Add the freshly grated ginger, which has anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. And finally, the juice of 1 lemon if you're using it. Give it all a good stir until everything is well combined and the molasses is fully dissolved. Now, to really let the flavors meld together, let this sit for at least a couple of hours. For the best results, refrigerate it overnight. Alright, our Switchel has been chilling and it's ready to serve. Give it one last stir. Pour it into a glass and you can strain out the ginger if you prefer a smoother drink. Takes a sip. That's so refreshing. Not only does it taste great, but it's also fantastic for detoxifying and rehydrating your body. Perfect for a hot day or after a workout. Give this traditional Switchel a try, and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.